Hello, welcome back for lesson number 29. I put a title called Level Down. We're going to cut the circumference of the diamond shape in the Superman logo. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we're going to open the file and then continue with the lesson. This is the result of the last lesson. We have completed most of the portion at the drilling as well as the island cutting. We're going to continue to do the circumference on this lesson. We're going to copy the second operation and we're going to paste it at the operation to make it easy for us. We're going to edit the detail, right mouse click, and we're going to change the top and bottom, which is -4 for the top and then the bottom is the -15. We need to change the wall thickness balance for them to do the finishing cut, so it's 0.5 and 0.5 for the bottom. We're gonna do it in another way by using this method called no retract and no engagement. So easy, the tool will go into the depth because we have created the area for the tool to go in without breaking the tool. Change the color and we do a calculate. With that, we try to see we can have any problem by doing the verify. You can see that everything looks good and then the depth is going to Z minus 14.5, which is what we expected. Click OK. And then we click OK again to exit. We will do a solid verify. You can see the result is good. We're going to do an analysis. Everything looks good. Yeah, we can save the file and then I will explain you how to do step by step to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let us do a step by step how to complete the task. First, we will hide the previous operation, which is this, drilling and packing. We'll right click, copy, and we will paste at these operations. We're going to go for detail editing. Right click mouse, edit. Nothing changed here. We're going to change this one to -4. And we can click the bottom by tilting the part if you want, or you can keep the depth. Okay, is -15, correct. We will change this to 0.5. This one as well. Change this one to none. This one too. And we change the color. This one. And we want to do a calculate. Looks good. Let us do a verify. Change the frame. And we can drag this one to ensure that the depth is correct at the last cut. Yes, is Z minus 14.5. Okay. Okay. We will perform a solid verify. Reduce the speed and play. Option, analysis, visual. We want to see the detail. Is it okay? Still have sufficient material for the finishing cut? Yeah, it is. So you can see that there is actually two poles, one here and here. We will have other method to solve this problem. So meantime, do not have to worry. Okay. Close. And we save the file. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. We will see you again at the next lesson. Bye bye.